In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open itch.io games the easy way, whether the game is playable right in your browser or whether you need to download and launch it on your computer. This is a super simple process, but if you've never used itch.io before, it can be a little confusing at first. So I'll walk you through both methods step by step. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to itch.io and find the game you want to play. Once you're on the games page, take a look for the Run Game button. If the game is a browser game, this button will usually appear right on the page in the game area. When you see it, just click Run Game and the game will start loading directly in your browser. After it loads, you can play instantly using your mouse and keyboard, just like any normal online game. If the game doesn't launch immediately, give it a few seconds to finish loading, especially if it's a bigger game or your internet connection is a little slow. Now, if the game is not a browser game and instead it's a downloadable game, the process is slightly different. In that case, you'll need to download the game first and then go to the extracted folder on your computer. If the file is compressed in a zip folder, make sure you extract it completely before trying to open anything. Once you're inside the extracted game folder, look for the main.exe file. This is the file that starts the game on Windows. Double-click the .exe file to launch it, and the game should open normally. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes or Run to continue. If you don't see the .exe file right away, check the folder carefully for the game's main launcher, since it may have the game's name instead of just .exe. Also, make sure you downloaded the correct version for your system, and that's really all there is to it. If it's a browser game, use the Run Game button on itch.io. If it's a downloadable game, extract the files and open the .exe in the game folder. Once you know the difference, opening itch.io games becomes very easy. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more simple tutorials.